Good evening, everyone. I just want to jump on here and give you an update on our winter weather situation for Wednesday morning and give you the latest update on that. First of all, our Wednesday level of concern, our USA mortgage level of concern, I should say, will be level 2, and that will be because of the risk for snow showers. And we will have a meteorologist mark weather alert night because of those snow showers that will be developing later tonight after midnight. You're good from now until midnight. The cold front's just now crossing the state, and it'll take a while for that colder air to filter in. And then we have a disturbance that'll be bringing some moisture back into the area by tomorrow morning. So this is one of the maps I'll look at. This is the upper level winds. This is what you would refer to as the jet stream map, and this is Wednesday morning. So a very strong upper level winds over our area in the morning, and that causes the air to rise. So rising cools it, condenses it, causes it to drop precipitation. So the problem with our system, which is very common with our winter systems, is that it's very limited in moisture. So if we got a real good dose of Gulf moisture to get in under this rising air, then that's how you get your big snows. But with what we have coming at us is very limited in moisture and does not have a Gulf connection, and so we'll squeeze out what flakes we can squeeze out. Premier Generators brings us our winter weather threat level, and it remains the same as it was this morning, a low wind snow threat for late tonight into Wednesday. M&M's forecast snow amounts, these have not changed from this morning. I'm still leaving it a 60% chance for up to a dusting and then trailing off pretty rapidly after that. I don't think anyone will get up to an inch unless this system ends up overperforming and surprises us. But it's really looking like all of us will stay under an inch. But some of us will get a dusting to a quarter inch, maybe up to a half inch. We'll see how all that pans out. But it doesn't take much moisture to produce a little bit of snow. So we'll see what this system can do. So my M&M Sunday forecast remains at 50% as it was this morning. I debated lowering it, but I'm going to leave it at 50-50 just because we'll just have to wait and see how this evolves in the morning, how much moisture is still around when the temperatures drop below freezing. Some folks say, well, we were warm today, so everything's going to be okay. That's nature's oldest trick. Even the Weather Service is using phrases like that. They warmed up, so everything's going to be okay. We were 9 degrees just a couple of days ago. So, and we've been in the teens. It's been cold. The ground is still cold. Plus, with the system like what we have coming in the morning, the winds will be blowing, and that can help to remove heat from roadways as well, just like it removes heat from our skin and causes us to feel colder than what the temperature actually is. So I say all that to say this: don't let your guard down. If it's snowing, treat the roads as if they could be slick and just drive with care, especially on bridges and overpasses. And as we saw with our last snow event, you saw how fast the roads, people were telling me, oh, the roads are too warm. Look what happened. The interstate became a mess. And I'm not saying that's going to happen this time, but that reminds us that if it's snowing, we need to be careful on area roads. Folks, I will keep an eye on things, and I'll let you know if there's anything comes up that you need to know about between now and tomorrow morning. You just keep it right here at meteorologistmark.com.